equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV14 and removing the battery for safety. Next, locate the screws on the body of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. As you do this, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components with your soft cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the body of the vacuum. Be cautious not to force it, as there are clips that may need to be released. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Now, with the body removed, you can access the rail. Inspect the rail for any signs of wear or damage. If you need to replace it, simply unscrew the rail using your flathead screwdriver. Again, keep track of the screws. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. After removing the rail, take the new rail and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is tightly fitted, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. With the new rail in place, it's time to reattach the body. Align the clips and gently push the body back together. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is secure. If you're unsure about any step, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug in your Dyson SV14. Test the vacuum to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for support. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you from the comfort of your home. And that's it. You've successfully changed the body and rail on your Dyson SV14. Regular maintenance will keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.